Question 23, how many miles does a jet plane travel in 30 seconds if its speed is 840 miles per hour? So let's first write out 840 miles per, meaning division, every 1 hour. And then what we're going to do here is we're trying to go from hours to seconds. So we need a couple of conversions here. So we're first going to convert to minutes, and then from minutes to seconds, and then eventually multiply that by 30. So it's going to look like this. I'll explain why in a second. So what's happening here is this fraction converts to minutes. This fraction converts to seconds. So that's what the steps are doing here. So in the first multiplication, that's going to give us minutes, and then whatever number we get here multiplied by this fraction is going to turn it into seconds, and then we're going to multiply that by 30. Now, another question that students may ask is, well, why did I set it up this way? And the reason I did is because by having the hours up here and the hours down here, when I multiply the fractions together, right, you're supposed to do numerator to numerator to numerator to numerator, and then denominator to denominator to denominator, I'm going to have these hours cancel. And then in my next step, the minutes are going to cancel. And then in my final step, the seconds are going to cancel. And the only unit that will be left is miles, which is what they're asking for. How many miles? Okay? So if you do this in your calculator, you're going to really just do 840 times 30. So it would look like this in your calculator, 840 times 30. I would use parentheses, and then you would divide by 60 times 60. And from this, you should get 7, or 7 miles. So our answer for this one is going to be A.